Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design, and I'm excited to share my latest project for the Button Farm Club with you. This is a gorgeous Christmas Memories mini album made with Authentique Paper Nostalgia collection, and it is just loaded. The kit contains this gorgeous FarmHouse Dry Goods 7x9 canvas album, which is so sturdy and beautifully built. It has chipboard pages. You'll also get an entire 12x12 pad of the Authentique Nostalgia collection. That's 24 pages. You'll get a 12x12 cardstock sticker element sheet that has all these darling images on it. You will get 2 yards of red seam binding ribbon, 2 yards of gold metallic string, and 8 sheets of 12x12 Authentique Artisan Cardstock, which is so high quality, 4 of red and 4 of green. You'll also get a full color printed tutorial sheet with photos that I've put together that will guide you through the steps to making this gorgeous interactive album. We'll just take a quick flip through. Pockets, several different styles, and look at this. This is so fun. Right on the front, we get started with the fun with this beautiful pull-out folio that I will teach you how to build in the tutorial. Then you'll find pages for our furry friends at Christmas time with these fun inserts. And look, these are huge. This will hold a 4x6 photo easily. Then there are fun pocket pages with inserts. There are 2 double layout pages for pets. And then we get into all these really gorgeous vintage images, more pullouts, pockets, journaling spots. Just look at these patterns. Then you'll learn how to build these slash pockets with inserts for journaling and room for photos. There are little tip-in pages. And you can put 5x7 photos on these pages with no problems. Simple pockets that I'll show you how to build. There's several different styles of pockets in this album. Really fun hidden secret places. And you'll learn how to do these as well. Little tuck spots. And then a really fun side pocket design. And then more little inserts here. Don't delay. Visit the Button Farm Club and put your order in for this wonderful festive holiday album made with Authentique Nostalgia. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Merry Christmas.